going to show you how to crop an image in the Lightroom app. First, you have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the right side, then click on this icon. And here we have crop, and here we have an aspect ratio. The original was 3:2, but we can set a new aspect ratio and then set the new crop as such. And here we have crop overlays as well, triangles, golden ratio, golden spiral, aspect ratio, and yeah. And that's basically it for this video. You can resize, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.